August 2nd. Case number 510113, State versus Angela Rodriguez. Angela Rodriguez, not present. 522305, State versus Jose Cardenas. That's Brian De La Rosa, his attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Jose should be on. I was just talking to him.
I always love it when they tell me should be. Yes, they should be, no question of that.
Judge, excuse me, did you call Jose Reyes?
Jose Cardenas.
Oh, no, I mean before him.
No, that was Angela Rodriguez.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. I thought I missed it.
No, not yet.
Jose, are you on?
Hello.
Jose,
There he is. You're muted, Jose.
All right. Jose Cardenas, is he here?
Yeah, I think he's muted there, Judge. I think he's trying to figure it out.
All right. And we have Brian De La Rosa, attorney. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay. I don't see you, but I see your name. All right, Brian. Good morning to you.
Good morning. I just need to confer, then I guess I'll straighten out whether he's here or not.
All right. You're number one to confer. 633-544. State versus Sandra Harp. And that's Derek Ritchie, his attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor.
and when you put in your.
Good morning, Mr. Ritchie.
I haven't had contact with Ms. Harp since I've been appointed on this case, and she's got 4 cases.
No contact.
No contact.
All right, we'll give him 1 week. Otherwise, it'll be a failure to appear with a warrant. Wait, stick around about 20, 30 minutes. He doesn't show up. I'll excuse you, Mr. Ritchie.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 640-290, State versus Donald Odell, and that is Armando Roman, his attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor. My client should be on.
Yes, I'm here.
Mr. Odell?
Yes.
Yes, I see you. Thank you. Appreciate
Your Honor,
you being on time.
we're circulating the pretrial diversion agreement for signature, and then we're going to submit to the pretrial services.
All right.
But we're done on that case, Your Honor.
So do you want to? All right, we'll just check it out. You're excused.
Okay.
I'll recall it in 30 days to make sure that everything's been done.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. If it is completed, just let me know ahead of time. We don't need to come back to court just to be told that everything is okay.
Okay, Your Honor. I will do
All
that.
right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. 64450, State versus Fernando Perez Roman. And that is Ivan Barrera.
Morning, Judge. I'm
What's
present.
up, Ivan?
I'm here, Judge.
And how about Perez Roman?
Good morning, Judge. Here as well.
There you are. Very good. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Mr. Barrera, what are you doing today?
Judge, we'd like to confer.
You'll be number 2 to confer, sir.
Thanks, Judge.
644-641, State versus Kayla Bartalos, and that is Freddie Ruiz. Freddie Ruiz is no answer at this moment.
Kayla Bartolo on the call.
Where are you, Kayla?
Right here.
I see you. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Appreciate you being on time.
Yes, sir.
Just wait for Freddie. He'll show up. He's pretty good about that. 646-455, State versus Feliciano Villarreal, and that's Trey Porter.
Judge, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Trey. How are you?
I'm doing well, Judge. My client is here with me in the office, sir.
Well, by golly, that's one way to make sure that they show up. Very good. What are you going to do, Trey?
Judge, we'd like to ask for a reset. I received a 40-page memorandum of disclosure from the state a few hours ago. I have not had a chance to go through it, and we are still waiting the body-worn camera that we have previously requested, Judge. So we just asked for a reset.
How much time you want?
Judge, I'd ask for 45 days.
You'd ask for that. What will you take?
Judge,
All
I'll
right,
take, I'll take
I'll give
anything
you-
you feel like giving me.
I'll give you the 45.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
No problem. Good to see you.
Yes, sir. May we be excused?
You are excused.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day, sir.
You too. Stay safe, Trey.
Bye-bye.
Case number 646514, State versus Lauren Hatherall. And that is Sean Lavorne, his attorney.
Yes, Judge,
Good morning, Your Honor.
She's present also.
And where, there she is. Yes, ma'am.
Morning.
Good morning to you.
We'd like to confirm, Judge.
All right. I think you're number 3. Yes. You're number 3 to confer.
Thank you.
Scheduled for 2 p.m. 648013. Maria Rodriguez and Patrick Montgomery. So that'll be at 2 o'clock. Just making sure they're not sitting here misunderstanding the setting. 649991. State versus Emily Mujica, and that is Hector Gonzalez III.
Your Honor, I'm here for Hector Gonzalez.
And who is that?
This is Claudine Espinosa.
Okay. Claudina Espinosa for Hector III. How about
Yes, Your Honor.
your client, Emily
I don't
Mujica?
see her in the gallery, but there's a couple of phones with no names on there, so I'm hoping that's one of them is her and she'll speak up. So Emily, if you're here, can you please announce yourself to the court?
Ms. Mujica, are you with us today? Ms. Mujica? Doesn't look like it, doesn't sound like it. We'll see if she shows up, Ms. Espinosa.
Okay, we'll try to get in touch with her.
In the meantime, what do you intend to do today?
Well, I wanted to confirm.
Okay, we'll have to wait and see if she shows up.
I just wanted to discuss it.
All right, just hang in there for a
Yes,
while.
Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you. 653491, State versus Jose Reyes. The
Yeah.
famous Jose Reyes, Mr. Piker.
Yes, Judge. I'm on, he's on, I got the phone here. I got him on the phone. His meeting number's working, but he can't get his passcode to work. So I've got him here. I'm talking to him,
Okay,
but maybe we can log off and try to log back on with him.
that might work.
But I do have him in tow.
You've heard me say, or almost everyone has heard me say, to err is human, forgive divine, but to really screw up, what do you need? A computer. All right, we'll be waiting, Ed. We'll wait to see what happens.
All right, thank you.
What is
All
your
right.
intent? What do you want to do today?
Confer with the DA. It's an
All
arraignment
right.
setting.
You'll be number 4, sir.
Thank you.
653980, State versus Autumn Sportsman. That's a good name. Brenda Levenstein. Autumn Sportsman. Neither one is here. Ms. Levenstein, no answer. Autumn Sportsman, absent. 654101, State versus Jocelyn Wright. And that is Brian O'Donnell. Brian, good morning to you.
Morning, Your Honor. I see my client is present. I would ask to confer with the state judge.
You'll be number 5 for conferring, Brian.
Thank
Good
you,
to
Your
see you.
See you, Judge.
All right. Scheduled for 1:30 p.m. 656925, State versus Cristina Saldana, and that is Thomas Beck. All right, in case you're here. Okay.
Yes, I am.
Ms. Wright,
Yes.
thought I just, yeah, you're a little slow in answering. Did you finally get your computer to work?
Yeah, it started buffering as soon as you said my name.
Okay, Brian, your client is present. We're all set. You're number 5 for conferring. Now, on the 1:30 setting, I've called it. Nobody's here. That's fine. We'll wait till 1:30. 657112, State versus Catherine Colner, and that is Joanne Eco.
Good morning, Judge. I am present.
How are you?
I am well, Judge. Thank you for asking. I do not see my client on the Zoom yet. I'll make sure she gets on and I would like
I'm
to.
here. I'm sorry,
Oh, she
Joanne.
is.
Yes.
Oh, there she is. She's
Good
here,
morning,
Judge.
Very good. Good
And-
morning, Ms. Colner. I appreciate you both being on time. Ms. Eco, what are you going to do?
I need to confer briefly with the prosecutor.
You'll be number 6, I believe.
Good Judge.
Yes, you're number 6. Shouldn't take long. Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate you both being on time. 657-187, State versus Nancy Van Diver, pardon me, Van Divier, I-E-R. And that is Dylan George.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Dylan. How are you?
I'm well. How about you?
Okay, so far. Nancy Van Divier, or Van Divier.
I've been in touch with her, Judge. Let's see if I can't get her on today, but I need to confer in the meantime.
Okay, I cannot let you confer if your client's not here, but we'll temporarily put you on. 10:30 setting, 657-490, State versus Kelly Hammond, and that's James Oltersdorf. That's set for 10:30. 658-115, State versus Madeleine Taylor, and that is Anisha Taylor.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present, and my client should be present as well.
And where is she?
Right.
There you are. Both of you. In fact, you're right next to each other on my screen. It's timely. All right, Ms. Taylor, what are your wishes for this morning?
I would like to confer, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, you'll be number 7 for conferring.
I have a plea in jail court right now, so if you don't mind, if I can be excused to go there.
You take care of that and come back and let us know when you're back, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. 658-166, State versus Valdemar Luna. That's Tony Hernandez, his attorney. Valdemar Luna, defendant. Tony Hernandez. I see you, Mr. Luna. You're muted. Mr. Luna, do you speak English? ¿Habla usted en inglés o no? Ok, ahorita su computadora no lo deja hablar. Se le dice, tiene lo que se le dice el mute. Si se fija, parece un micrófono con una raya. Tiene que quitar ese. Ándele. ¿Se ha comunicado con el señor Hernández?
Sí, ayer fui a su oficina y me dijo que hoy tenía la corte a las 9.
Muy bien, a ver a qué hora llega. Pero lo voy a marcar usted que está presente. Gracias. Espere su abogado.
Ok.
66009, State versus Sam Rodriguez, and that is Greg Desmarais.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am here for Mr. Rodriguez. He is not here. I was appointed. I've not had any contact with him. I did talk to his dad. He lives at Haven for Hope.
Pinche abogado no está, güey.
Is that him?
No.
No.
That was a defendant remarking about his attorney. And
Avocado.
A bit of a comment. All right. Yeah, those that speak Spanish know what he was saying. All right. Mr. Desmarais, what's going on with Sam Rodriguez?
Your Honor, I've not had any contact. It's the first setting. I did talk to his dad. He does live at Haven for Hope. I reached out to Ron Hill Bail Bonds, and they gave me his dad's number. His dad gave me another number, but it went straight to voicemail.
All right. We'll give you a week to produce him.
Thank you, Judge.
Otherwise there'll be a warrant.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You're excused, sir.
Thank you.
660-274, State versus Amari Tobler, and that no attorney listed.
Morning, Judge. Mr. Tobler actually hired our firm yesterday. We filed a notice of appearance yesterday around 4 p.m. I did tell him he did have to be present. Not sure if he's in.
I'm here.
There he is, Judge.
Speak up. Who is it? Mr. Tobler?
I'm here. Yes, sir.
Oh, there you are. Okay. Mr. Barrera, what do you intend to do today?
Judge, if we can get a reset, Judge, like I said, we just filed notice of appearance, so we still need a discovery.
Okay, new hire. We'll recall it about 2 weeks.
That'll be fine, Judge.
Recall 2 weeks. That'll give you time to settle down. All right. Thank you, gentlemen. You're both excused at this time.
Thank you, Judge.
660-282, State versus Preston Roberts, and that is Timothy Roundtree.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning, Tim. How are you?
I'm doing well. How about you?
So far, the Lord's been good.
So far, so good. Judge, Mr. Roberts is here. I'd like to confer, if I may.
All right, you'll be number 8, I believe.
Thank you.
Hang in there. You're welcome. 660-289, State versus Ramon Avila, and that is Jocelyn Andrews. I saw her. Jocelyn, where are you?
I'm here, Judge.
All right.
Good
there you
morning.
are. Good morning to you. It's good to see you. You all right?
Yes, sir. Hanging in there.
All
And I'm
right.
not hanging by my neck, so I've got a fighting chance.
All right. How about Ramon Avila? Ramon Avila, are you with us?
Are they supposed to be on a Zoom hearing?
Hello.
Judge, he should be here. I haven't seen him.
Ramon Avila. Well, we're going to mark him absent for right now, Justin. When he comes in, or
I'm right here, sir.
There you are.
It was on mute.
LGK20. That's
Okay.
That's a different type of spelling for Avila, right? All right, Jocelyn, what do you want to do today?
Judge, this is our first setting, and e-discovery was not working properly in the last couple of days. So I don't have any information, but I would still like to talk to the prosecutor. Unfortunately, I heard that there was a long line.
Well, you'll be number 9.
I have a 10 o'clock setting in CPS court. So Judge, if you put me in line and at least where I can speak to a prosecutor, and then you can excuse Mr. Avila, I'm not sure we're not going to get anything resolved today.
All right, Mr. Avila, you are excused. Well, I'm putting you down on the conferring list, Justin. When you get
All right,
back,
Judge, and I'll stay as long as I can. Thanks a
all
bunch.
right, no problem. When you get back from CPS court, just let us know.
All right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Good to see you. 660-310, State versus Jesus Lopez, and that's John the Fox.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you, sir?
Hi,
And Mr. Lopez is here, Judge. I saw him up there a minute ago. He's in a red shirt. The discovery, I don't feel a need to confer at this point, Judge. I'm still waiting on discovery. It's trickling in. I have not received any videos whatsoever, although I've received some of the paperwork. So if you could see your way clear to maybe, it's UTSA PD. They tend to be sort of slow on production. So maybe like a 45-day or something like that. It's an initial setting for us.
All right, it'll be 45 days reset. And you are excused, sir.
Thank you. Jesus, you can sign off. Thank you, Judge. Have a good morning.
You too. Take care. 660-341. Let's see. All right, 660-341, State versus Roberto Gonzalez, and that is Mark LaHood.
He's present with counsel, Your Honor.
Mark, how are you?
Good morning, Judge. I'm well. Yourself?
All right, we've already noted that the ignition interlock will not be imposed on your client. Should be already on the file.
Thank you, Your Honor. We're still accumulating. We're missing a little bit of discovery, Judge.
Okay.
I don't think it'll take much longer. It's a pretty straightforward situation. I would just ask for a short 2-week to 4-week reset to get the discovery.
Well, let's cut it in the middle. We'll give you a 3-week reset.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, take care, Mark.
Thank you, Judge. May we both be excused?
You're excused, sir.
Have a blessed day. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. 660-370, State versus Jada High.
Good morning, Your Honor. Stephanie Esparza from Ms. Hyde. I'm with the Public Defender's Office.
Okay. Hold on. Stephanie, I show Tanya Rivera or Beatriz Robles. Now, were you hired on this or you with them?
No, I'm with the Public Defender's Office. The three of us do the family violence cases.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So I have this case.
So it's Esparza?
Yes, Your Honor.
What was your first name? I'm sorry.
Stephanie. Yes, Your Honor.
STEPH?
Yes.
All right. What is your intent for today?
Oh, I was going to say she is on the Zoom, Your Honor, just so you know. And well, today I filed a motion to amend bond condition to ask change to the no contact order, and I did email that this morning to Patty and the DAs. So that's one thing I would like to address. Also, I would like to speak with the prosecutor too.
All right. That'll make you, I'll put you on the list, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
660-381, State versus Jared Rivera, no attorney listed. Jared Rivera, no attorney. And no Jared. 660-407, State versus Michael Sanders, no attorney.
Good morning, Judge. Jeremy Best for the defendant. Also on the Zoom call is Eric Perkins. He's also hired as the attorney, and Michael, I believe, is on his iPhone.
I am on.
Complete overlook this. Okay, let's take it one at a time. Jeremy Bass, you're the attorney.
That's right, Judge. Me and Eric Perkins are the attorneys of record.
And who do you represent? You represent Sanders?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so I've got you marked for Sanders. What do you wish to do on Sanders?
Judge, we haven't gotten any discovery yet on this case. It's our first setting. So we're just going to take a reset and look at the discovery, and I'll reach out to the prosecutors via email.
All right, on Sanders requesting a reset, we'll give you 30 days. On Sanders, you're excused now. Mr. Sanders, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge. You have a good day.
You too, thank you. Mr.
Thank you,
Bass.
Judge.
Mr. Bass, you had other cases you were announcing for, or were you?
No, sir. That's the only one.
Okay. Very good.
Good seeing you, Judge.
That is, you guys take care. That is the docket for this morning. Is there anyone who did not answer at 9 o'clock that wants to be recognized at this time?
Judge,
Okay,
yeah,
well,
that's my guy, Judge. It said Piker. That's Jose Reyes. He logged off. Now he logged in. He's on now.
all right. We were having a little bit of a computer issue, were we not?
Yes, sir. That
Jose
was it.
Reyes, yes, I have him marked present. Very good. Okay, Ed.
Thank you.
All right, let's get Mr. Edelman. Andrew
Your Honor,
Edelman.
Your Honor, he is in jail court this morning.
Okay, so then you're gonna carry the load by yourself, huh?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Morgan, would you please confer with Brian De La Rosa regarding Cardenas, 522-305?
Yes, sir.
Ready? Let me see here. It's gonna be a little slower than I thought. We only have one prosecutor for conferring. So you guys relax, and as soon as you come up, we'll take care of your issues. So right now we have the first one conferring.
Your Honor, that's Brenda Levenstein.
I saw you come in. How are you, Brenda? It's good to see you.
Thank you. Good to be seen.
All right.